The Three Brothers. Once upon a time, in a small village, there were three brothers named Jack, Tom, and Harry. They lived with their parents on a farm. Jack was the oldest brother. He was strong and liked to work in the fields. Tom was the middle brother. He was smart and loved to read books. Harry was the youngest brother. He was kind and loved to make people laugh. The three brothers were very close. They played together, worked together, and helped each other. Their father was very proud of them. He often said, "My sons, you are my pride and joy. Always remember to help each other and stay close." One day, their father called them together. He said, "My sons, I am getting old. It is time for you to go out into the world and find your own way. But remember, always help each other and stay true to yourselves." Jack, Tom, and Harry were sad to leave their father, but they knew it was time to start their own lives. They promised to stay in touch and help each other whenever needed. Jack decided to go to a nearby town to work as a builder. He was strong and knew he could build many houses. Tom decided to go to the city to study at a big university. He loved to read and learn new things. Harry decided to travel from village to village, making people laugh and helping anyone in need. Jack worked hard in the town. He built many houses and soon became known as the best builder in the area. People admired his strength and dedication. He often thought about his brothers and missed them. Tom studied hard at the university. He read many books and learned many things. He soon became a famous scholar and wrote many important books. People admired his intelligence and knowledge. He often thought about his brothers and missed them. Harry traveled from village to village. He made many people laugh and helped many in need. He became known for his kindness and was loved by everyone he met. People admired his kind heart and cheerful nature. He often thought about his brothers and missed them. One day, Jack received a letter from his father. The letter said, "My dear son Jack, I am very proud of you. You have become a great builder. But remember, the most important thing is the bond you share with your brothers. Please come home." Jack decided to go home. He packed his bags and set off on the journey back to the village. On the way, he thought about how much he missed his brothers and his father. Tom also received a letter from his father. The letter said, "My dear son Tom, I am very proud of you. You have become a great scholar. But remember, the most important thing is the bond you share with your brothers. Please come home." Tom decided to go home. He packed his books and set off on the journey back to the village. On the way, he thought about how much he missed his brothers and his father. Harry received a letter from his father too. The letter said, "My dear son Harry, I am very proud of you. You have become a kind and beloved person. But remember, the most important thing is the bond you share with your brothers. Please come home." Harry decided to go home. He packed his few belongings and set off on the journey back to the village. On the way, he thought about how much he missed his brothers and his father. The three brothers arrived at their village at the same time. They were very happy to see each other. They hugged and laughed and talked about their adventures. Their father was very happy to see them too. Their father said, "My sons, I am very proud of each of you. You have achieved great things and remained true to yourselves. But remember, the most important thing is the bond you share as brothers. Together, you are stronger and can achieve anything." The brothers realized the wisdom in their father's words. They decided to stay in the village and work together. Jack built a large school in the village. Tom became the head teacher at the school. Harry made sure the children were always happy and cared for. The village flourished. The children learned many things at the school. They were happy and healthy. The people in the village admired the three brothers and their strong bond. The three brothers were very happy too. They worked together, helped each other, and stayed close. They often remembered their father's words and were grateful for their bond. And so, the story of the three brothers teaches us the importance of family, hard work, and staying true to ourselves. It also teaches us that together, we are stronger and can achieve great things. The end.